In the last video, we added Suite Alert. You can see every time I reload the page, it triggers this alert. Good job, you added Suite Alert, it's right here. Let's see how you can add this alert only when the user submits the form. Here on the Avid website, you will find the documentation for the event listeners. So for example, we can copy all of this code. Copy everything from here. And if you remember here on the contact, we added the form with contact form. So we're gonna add app.js and right here, and I'm gonna add the jQuery selector, contact form, and paste that code. Here you can see that we have a bunch of different events: invalid, sur foundation avid, valid, form invalid, and they have these nice comments right here. So let's save this and reload the website and open the console and click here on submit. You can see that we have a lot of errors right here. Field ID name is invalid, field ID font is invalid, and others, because we have this empty. So for example, if I open the Suite Alert website and we look for an error message, so for example this one, we can copy this. And for example, you can see that we have invalid Avid validation. So for example, we can paste right here this SWAL code. So reload, click here on submit again, and you can see we have, oops, something went wrong. So this way you can add Suite Alert based on these different events. So for example, if one of the elements is valid, you have this right here. Of course, we want to display the alert if the form is valid or invalid. We are not looking for specific fields, but in this case you can add, or if you want to display the Suite Alert based on specific fields, you can use this. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to keep these two events, the invalid sur validation avid, and when the form is valid is right here. You can see the form validation has passed and the form will be submitted. So we're gonna cut this, for example, cut this code and remove this. And for example, we have good job. We're gonna add you submitted the form. And save this again. Open the front end and reload. And click here on submit. And you can see we have, oops, something went wrong, and we have all these fields. So then we can add, for example, we can fill this. And we're gonna add 10, 12, 2080, submit. And you can see we have good job, you submitted the form. So this way we are validating and we are retrieving these values, something nicer for our visitors, but still we haven't submit the data using PHP. That's going to be the last part of this project. So in the next video, we're gonna start working with PHP and AJAX submissions.